गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। ध्यानम् अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। Let us do from 136. राज्यलक्ष्मी कोशनाथा चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धा सागरमेखला दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी सर्वलोकवशङ्करी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी देशकाला परिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी. We did till here, understanding that Amma is the highest controller, the empress. She is the one who gives everything, all the riches and whatever we want. She is the Rajya Lakshmi, right? And she is the one who is having the Samrajya. She runs the whole kingdom. And she has the ocean itself as her waist belt. Then she is Daitya Shamani, the one who kills all the asuras, the rakshasas. And the whole world is under her control. Sarva Loka Vashankari. And she is the one who gives Sarva Artha Datri. Whatever we desire is given by her. And she is the form of that ultimate bliss, Satchidananda Rupini. And she is Deshakala Aparichinna. She doesn't have any limitations to particular place, particular time. Only this time she is there, or only in this particular place she is there. Not like that. Amma is in every place, every time, all the time she is there. She is eternal. Right? So let us do new verses. Who would like to chant with me? Only limited kids, so you have to open up and chant. Who is ready? Sri Harsha Prasha. Very good, Nana. Let us do. Saraswati. Your voice is not much audible. I think your mic has to be adjusted. Or is it a problem with me? Okay, unmute yourself. You can do. It is audible but very low volume. Saraswati
Saraswati.
Yeah, now it's better.
Saraswati.
Shastramayi.
Shastramayi. Shastramayi.
Saraswati Shastramayi. Guhamba. Guhyarupini. Guhamba Guhyarupini. Saraswati Shastramayi. Guhamba Guhyarupini. Sarvopadhi. Vinirmukta. Sarvopadhi Vinirmukta. Sada Shiva Pativrata. 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 Shiva Pativrata. Sada Shiva Pativrata. Very good. Sarvopadhi Vinirmukta.
Sarvaupadhi Vinirmukta.
Sada Shiva Pativrata. Okay. So what these verses say is, Amma is Saraswati, the one who gives knowledge. Earlier we saw she is the one who is giving all the riches, whatever we desire, right? She's Rajya Lakshmi, Sarvarthadatri. Now Amma is Saraswati, the one who is giving knowledge. Shastramayi. Shastras are all the scriptures, the Vedas, from where all the knowledge comes to us. So Amma is Saraswati Devi. See, she is holding books. So all the knowledge is with her. The knowledge of Vedas. So Saraswati Shastramayi Guhamba Guhyarupini. So Guha is Lord Subramanya Swami. Kartikeya. So Guha Amba. So she is mother of Lord Kartikeya. You know who is Kartikeya Swami, right? Subramanya Swami. So he is the son of Parvati Devi and Lord Shiva. Just like Lord Ganesha is there. See, he is the one. Okay. He is Lord Kartikeya or Subramanya Swami. So Guha Amba. So Amma is the mother of Subramanya Swami. And Guhamba Guhya Rupini. Guhya means very secretive. She is not visible. We cannot see, right? We can't sense Amma is here like that. She is very secretively present in everything and everywhere. So she is Guhya Rupini. Secretively she is present. Her form is very secretive. Then Sarvo Upadhi Vinirmukta. Upadhi means form. So Sarva Upadhi. We see so many different forms, but she is beyond these forms. She is not these forms. She is secretive, right? She is in invisible form. without any physical form. She is Sarva Upadhi Vinirmukta. She is devoid of any form. Sada Shiva Pativrata. She is the wife of Sadashiva. So Sadashiva is, who is Sadashiva? He is the Lord Shiva, this who is lying down. So this posture, the Shiva who is there, he is called Sadashiva. So Amma is wife of Sadashiva. Okay, Sarvopadi Vinirmukta Sadashiva Pativrata. Sadashiva means always, always. Shiva is auspiciousness. So Amma always does good things to us. So that is why she is the Pativrata of Sadashiva. So whatever Sadashiva says, she completely agrees to him. So she follows whatever he says. So Pativrata means very much following of her husband. Whatever husband says, she will do. She'll be very nice with her husband. They're always together, right? Shiva Shakti. So that is why Sadashiva Pativrata. They are never like fighting, mom and dad fighting, not like that. They're always together. Any questions? We'll go to next. I'll just repeat once. Sarvopadhi Vinirmukta Saraswati Shastramayi Guhamba Guhya Rupini Sarvopadhi Vinirmukta Sada Shiva Pativrata. Next. Who would like to chant next? Anybody else? Okay. You would like to continue? Praharsha, Sriharsha? You want to do? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Let us do. Sampradayeshwari Sadhvi Sampradayeshwari Sadhvi
Sadhvi
Guru Mandala
Guru Mandala
Rupini
Rupini
Guru Mandala Rupini
Guru Mandala Rupini
Sampradayeshwari Sadhvi
Sampradayeshwari Sadhvi
Guru Mandala Rupini Kulottirna Bhagaradhya Maya Madhumati Mahi Madhumati Mahi Maya Madhumati Mahi Kulottirna Bhagaradhya
कुलोत्तीर्णा भगाराध्या
माया मधुमती मही. Yes, very good. So what these verses say is, Amma is Sampradayeshwari. So it comes like a lineage from, like, so many gurus will be there, right? Shankaracharya Swami, then his guru was Gaudapadacharya Swami. So like this, so many, it will be like a lineage, parampara we say. So finally now Bharatiya Tirtha Swami is there. So like this, there will be that tradition and lineage in each gurus. So it is called Guru Mandalam. So that collection of gurus and their traditions, whatever rituals they follow, is called a Sampradayam. So everybody, every lineage and gurus will say a few different things. One will say do the Abhishekam, one will say do the meditation, sit and chant. Like that, different rituals will be there. So each belongs to different Sampradaya and they are all given by the Guru Mandalam. So it is transferred to each generation. It keeps on continuing. And Amma herself is the form of that Guru Mandalam. The whole Guru Mandalam is none other than Amma only. She is Kulo Uttirna. Kula means all that material things that we see. So Kulottirna. Uttirna means above. Not just what we see in the world, but she is beyond that. Kulottirna Bhagaradhya. Bhaga means Lord Sun. Okay. So Amma is prayed by Bhaga Aradhya. So Lord Sun also prays to Amma. Okay. Bhagaradhya Maya Madhumati Mahi. So Amma is the one who creates all the illusion in the world, right? So she is Maya Madhumati Mahi. Madhu is sweetness. So Amma always enjoys that bliss, right? Because she's always with Shiva. That Satchidanandam is always her nature. So Madhumati, her mind. Mati is her mind. Her mind is always in that happiness and bliss. So she is Madhumati Mahi. Mahi means the highest one. She is enjoying the highest happiness. Right? From her only all the universe came. That Mahat, the highest thing is Amma. Kulottirna Bhagaradhya Maya Madhumati Mahi. Any questions? No questions? Very nice features you are putting, Sri Harsha and Praharsha. You can do that later, okay? Focus now. Okay, if no questions, let us repeat all the 4 verses together. Who would like to chant together? Okay, you are only the leaders like Amma. You are only the chanters, again repeaters. Come on, start.
निर्मुक्ता सदा शिवपतिव्रता संप्रदायैश्वरी साध्वी गुरुमण्डलरूपिणी कुलोत्तीर्णा भगाराध्या मया मधुमती मही गणाम्बाहुह्यकाराध्या
Komalangi. No. We have to that line we did not do. We have to do little here. Sorry. So Kulottirna Bhagaradhya Maya Madhumati Mahi. Say that again. Okay, very good. Good job. Anybody else? Anju, Omkar, would you like to chant?
I'll do it, auntie.
Okay, go ahead.
Saraswati Shastramayee Guhamba Guhyarupini Sarvopadi Vinirmukta Sadashiva Pavitra Pativrata Sampradayeshwari Sadhvi Guru Mandala Rupini Kulotirna Bhagaratya Maya Madhumati Mahi.
Perfect. It is so nice to listen to your voice.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Now about Omkar. Okay, let us do the final prayers. You want to chant, Omkar? I heard some voice in between.
Yes, auntie.
Okay. Right. Okay, go ahead.
Sarva Saraswati Shastramaye Guha Amba Guhya Rupine Sarvopadi Vinirmukta Sadashiva Pativrata Sampradayeshwari Sadhvi Guru Mandala Rupine Kulotirna Bagaradya Maya Madhumati Mahi.
Okay, good. Let us do the final prayers. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankarah Pranavallabhe Jnanavairagya Siddhartham Bhiksham Tehi Cha Parvati Sarvamangalamangalye Shive Sarvarthasadhike Sharanye Trayambike Devi Narayani Namostute Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Okay, Nana. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you, auntie. Bye.
Welcome, Nana. Bye.